Hi guys, here are the major things you need as a hairstylist. So this is a holding spray, two different types of holding spray. You could go for either of these. Yes, I got this for 6,000 naira. You use this maybe if you want to do a frontal installation, you use it to hold down that lace. Yes, to give it a very smooth and melt down the lace very well. And then this is a hair wax. I got this for 2,000 naira. You need it to hold down the flyaways. And the next is the bold hold glue. Yes, you need it to melt that lace down, to glue down your frontal lace. I got this for 1,500. So this is a hair mousse, a styling mousse, and I got this for 4,000 naira. So you need this to give you that shine, that smooth look, especially when you are doing a frontal installation or even for revamping. Yes, you could use this for revamping. And but the prices of things gets higher by the day, so I don't know if these things are still this price. And then this is a dummy. I got this for 5,000 naira. Yes, if you're doing a frontal installation, maybe you want to start the wig before installing it, you buy this dummy. And then this is a tweezer. They have different types, but this is the one I bought. And can you believe tweezer is now 700? Yes, this tweezer I got it for 700 naira. You need to pluck the hairline of your wig. And then this is a wig cap. I got this for 250 naira. Yes, for those of you that do installation or for beginners, you need this wig cap, very essential. And then this is a hot comb. I got this for 16,000 naira. Yes, you need this hot comb to lay down your wig, to lay down like the hair on your wig, to give it that smooth look. And then this is a 25 barrel curling iron, and I got this for 16,000 also. You need it for maybe if you want to make curls, maybe the bombshell curls, the reverse bombshells, and all those types of curls. You need this. Next is the tripod stand. Yes, you need this tripod stand. It's very, very essential. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment. So guys, watch out for the part 2 of this video. Bye.